As a tech enthusiast and expert, do you ever feel like giving up? Like you're not good enough? Do you doubt whether your work matters or if you're even on the right track? I've been there many times. That feeling of staring at lines of code or endless project requirements and wondering if it's all worth the monumental effort. You're not alone. Burnout is the silent killer in tech. It creeps in, subtle at first, then overwhelms. Most developers say they've considered quitting because of it. We've all seen the headlines about the demands of our industry and the constant need to innovate, to learn, to deliver. But what if I told you the solution isn't just working harder? It's thinking smarter. It's not about pushing through the pain but understanding its root causes and building a more resilient approach. In a recent Stack Overflow survey, over 50% of developers reported feeling exhausted, emotionally drained, or detached from their work. Think about that for a moment. Half of our industry, half of the brilliant minds shaping the future, are struggling. And here's the critical insight. Most of them didn't blame the work itself. They didn't point fingers at complex algorithms or demanding deadlines. Instead, they blamed the pressure to always be improving, to constantly be on, and to achieve an ever-moving target of perfection. It's the relentless pursuit of more that leaves us with less energy, less passion, and less connection to why we started in the first place. Let's dissect this further. Studies also show that burnout isn't simply caused by working too many hours. While long hours can certainly contribute, the core issue is more nuanced. It's caused by a lack of control, unclear goals, and a mismatch between effort and reward. Think about it. Lack of control. When you feel like a cog in a machine with little say in your projects or how your day unfolds, that sense of powerlessness is incredibly draining. It erodes your agency, your belief that your actions truly make a difference. Unclear goals. Imagine trying to hit a target you can't see. When your objectives are vague or constantly shifting, every step feels like a shot in the dark. The effort you put in feels unanchored, making it hard to celebrate wins or even know if you're progressing. Mismatch between effort and reward. This isn't just about salary. It's about recognition, impact, learning, and personal growth. If you pour your heart and soul into a project, only to see it shelved, ignored, or fail to gain traction, it's demoralizing. The scales feel unbalanced, leading to a sense of injustice and futility. These factors combine to create a perfect storm where the very passion that drew us to tech can be extinguished. So, you're not weak for feeling this way. You're human. Your brain, in its infinite wisdom, is fighting to protect you from a meaningless hustle. It's sending you signals, loud and clear. Something needs to change. That's not failure, that's awareness. That's your body and mind telling you it's time to course correct, to recalibrate, to reconnect with your purpose. It's a call to action, not a condemnation. This awareness is your superpower, the first step towards a sustainable and fulfilling career in tech and the impact you create. Embrace the idea that learning is a continuous journey, not a destination. Celebrate small victories, acknowledge your progress no matter how incremental it seems. Imposter syndrome, that nagging feeling that you're a fraud and don't belong, often goes hand in hand with burnout. We constantly compare ourselves to others, to the rock star developers on X and GitHub, or the genius architect down the hall. But remember, everyone is on their own journey. Focus on your unique strengths, your unique perspective, and what you bring to the table. Your path is your own, and your contributions are valuable. Now let's move beyond awareness to action. These aren't just theoretical concepts. These are practical strategies you can implement starting today. 1. Set clear, measurable goals for the week, or even the day. Instead of work on the new feature, try complete the user authentication module by Friday afternoon. Break down large tasks into smaller, manageable chunks. This creates a sense of accomplishment as you tick off each item. Use frameworks like SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. This clarity reduces ambiguity and gives you a clear finish line to aim for. Pro tip: at the end of each day, quickly review what you accomplished and plan your top 1 to 3 priorities for tomorrow. This prevents decision fatigue and provides a sense of direction. 2. Take intentional breaks. Even 10-minute walks increase code clarity. Our brains aren't meant to be in hyper-focus mode for hours on end. Step away from the screen. Walk around the block, grab a coffee, stretch, listen to a song, or simply close your eyes for a few minutes. Studies show that regular breaks not only reduce stress, but also improve creativity and problem-solving. That aha moment often happens when you're not looking directly at the problem. Consider the Pomodoro technique: 25 minutes of focused work, followed by a 5-minute break. After 4 cycles, take a longer 15-30-minute break. 3. Track effort versus reward. If the balance is off, talk to your team or change projects. Keep a simple log, even mentally, of where your effort is going and what you're getting back. Are you constantly putting in extra hours on a project that feels thankless? Are your skills being utilized effectively? Are you learning and growing? Communication is key. Don't suffer in silence. If you feel undervalued or overwhelmed, schedule a candid conversation with your manager or team lead. Frame it constructively. I'm feeling a bit stretched and I want to ensure my efforts are aligned with the team's priorities. Can we discuss how to optimize my contributions? If the imbalance persists and you've exhausted all internal options, it might be time to consider a change. This doesn't mean failure. It means you're prioritizing your well-being and seeking an environment where your passion can thrive. Your career is a marathon, not a sprint, and sometimes a change of scenery is exactly what's needed to reignite your spark. Beyond these individual steps, cultivate resilience by building a strong support network. Connect with other developers, join online communities, or find a mentor. Sharing your experiences, learning from others' challenges, and celebrating collective successes can significantly reduce feelings of isolation and inadequacy. A strong community reminds you that you're part of something bigger, a collective force driving innovation forward. Burnout doesn't mean you're broken. It means it's time to rebuild, smarter, sharper, and more focused than ever. It's an opportunity for a powerful transformation. To align your passion with purpose and create a tech career that energizes you, rather than drains you. If this helped rewire your mindset, just a little, hit that like button to keep the algorithm aligned and help this message reach more people who need it. Comment below. Which one hit you the hardest today? Or what's your go-to strategy for beating tech burnout? Let's share our insights and support each other. And please, share this with someone in tech who needs to hear it. You might just be the catalyst for their breakthrough. Subscribe for more mindset shifts that fuel tech success. Let's build a healthier, happier, and more impactful tech community. One mindful step at a time. Your journey in tech is a powerful one, and you have everything within you to not just survive, but to truly thrive. Go out there and build something amazing, and remember to build yourself up along the way.